In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run balance sheet in Xero. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few helpful tips so you understand what you're looking at and how to make the report reflect the period you care about. By the end, you'll have a clean, published balance sheet ready to share. Start by heading to Xero.com. Once you're in your Xero organization, look for the main navigation and open reporting. This is the hub for all of your financial statements, and it's where you'll find the balance sheet alongside other core reports. If you work in multiple organizations, just make sure you're in the right one before you continue so the numbers match the business you intend to report on. Inside the reporting area, select Balance Sheet. The balance sheet shows what your business owns and owes at a specific point in time: assets, liabilities, and equity. It's a snapshot, not a running total, so the date you choose is important because it defines exactly when that snapshot is taken. Next, set the reporting options. Choose your date or date range so the report reflects the period you need. For many use cases, that's the end of a month, quarter, or year. Use the compare with setting to add context, such as the prior month or the same date last year, so you can quickly see movement in key balances. This comparison can highlight trends in cash, receivables, payables, or equity without having to run separate reports. Then confirm the currency. If your organization deals with multiple currencies, choose the one you want to see on screen. Keeping the currency consistent with your other reports helps avoid confusion when you're reviewing totals or sharing results. After you've set those options, click Update. Xero will refresh the figures using your selections. Take a moment to scan the layout. Assets at the top, liabilities next, and equity at the bottom. If something looks off, double check that the date and comparison options match your intent, then update again. When you're happy with the view, open the Save as drop-down. This gives you options to preserve the report with your chosen settings. Select Publish. Publishing saves a fixed snapshot of the balance sheet with the filters you set, making it easy to reference later and ensuring everyone you share it with sees the same numbers. It's especially useful for month-end or year-end when consistency is key. That's it. You went to Xero.com, opened reporting, launched the balance sheet, set your date, comparison, and currency, updated the view, and published the report for future reference. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your balance sheet ready.